In this video, we will go over the unboxing and assembly of the GoChair Travel Power Chair by Pride Mobility. This power chair is shipped in two pieces. The smaller box is the seat and the larger box is the rest of the unit. After opening the larger box, start by removing the battery pack. Remove the front section by lifting up on the release lever and remove both the front and rear sections from the rest of the packaging. Reconnect the front section to the rear section. Install your seat post and clevis pin. Reinstall your battery pack. Next, open the smaller box that contains the seat and remove your color panels. Carefully install all 6 color panels. Now install your seat. To do this, you will need to swing open the compartments under the seat, then slide the post on the bottom of the seat into the installed seat post. Next, install the armrests by inserting the armrest L bracket into the armrest receiver on your seat. Install the smaller clevis pin and tighten this bracket down with the tightening knob. Grab the provided Allen wrench from your owner's manual sleeve and install the armrest into the L bracket. I like to leave 2 finger widths between the L bracket and the armrest. Tighten down with the Allen wrench and repeat these steps on the other side. Install your joystick on either armrest and tighten down with the Allen wrench. Grab the provided zip ties to secure the joystick wire along the armrest. I like to wrap the wire around the rest of the armrest bracket a few times and then plug your joystick wires together. Now you can power it on and will be on your way. Be sure to charge your GoChair for at least 4 hours before using. If you have any other questions regarding this process, please call AutoMobility store at 1-800-431-3183.